This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. Ugh. Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a man's hair. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a man's hair. If you guys are interested in knowing who he is and whatnot, watch this video till the end. His hair is quite different from mine, so I'm just going to try a wash and go on his hair. Hopefully it will be giving the looks. I hope the products we use understand the assignment. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Other than that, let's get started. So first of all, we had to go to the mall and pick up a gel because we didn't have one. At the mall there weren't actually very many options for gels, so we picked some very unpopular brand that you'll see later on in this video. It wasn't expensive. So yeah, this is man's hair. Before we put anything to it, he washes it regularly just with, you know, basic man things. So I put some water in his hair. It was actually warmer than warm because that's how he likes his water. And then I used the hotel shampoo, nothing special, to shampoo his hair. And because his hair wasn't dirty, it lathered up so easily. It's also not a lot, and I used quite a lot of shampoo, to be honest. So I did only go in one time with the shampoo because he had recently washed his hair. So when I was done washing his hair, I wrapped a hotel towel around it, nothing too special. And this is what his hair looked like after shampooing it. We didn't have conditioner, so we did not condition. I went ahead to spray it with some water because I did realize that he has high porous hair. It dried so easily, like 1, 2, 3. And this hair was dry. So yeah, I used my mist bottle to spray as much water as I possibly could to his hair. And then I went ahead to work that in and also work some products into his hair. Comment down below what leave-in you all think I used for his hair. So yeah, I did apply some leave-in and made sure to saturate that throughout all his hair, that each and every strand was coated with product. And then I went ahead to apply this gel. It's called Alberto Balsam. It was the only gel they actually had at the mall, so we didn't have options, to be honest. I made sure to circulate the gel all throughout his hair. Now, because his hair is short, I made sure that each and every strand was coated, and I took very tiny sections. At this point, I was just trying to figure out what would work, what would get his curls defined. I tried to shingle his hair. I almost tried the praying hand method, but I didn't. I ran my fingers through his coils. I ran a comb through it. Like, at this point, I was frustrated, but we weren't there yet. Like, the hair just wasn't giving. I didn't know if I should blame the gel. I just didn't know what was happening. So eventually, I decided to take small pieces of hair and twirl them around my finger, almost as though I was making finger coils, but very, very tiny finger coils. I would never be able to do this on my own head because, quite honestly, I have a lot of hair and it's long, and no, not for me. So I did this all throughout his hair. In the start, I wasn't sure whether it would look good or not, but eventually the gel understood the assignment. It was giving vibes and, you know, everything in between. So I'm going to let you guys watch me twirl his hair, and then I'll come back at some point later on in this video.
It is I. Wow.
So do you want all the hair to face behind, or do you want bangs?
I don't know.
So because Mans did not know where he wanted his hair to face, I decided to wing it and just twirl the hair in the direction that just came naturally to me. Your gender is very worrying. Like, when you go through problems, you don't want to talk to
Don't
people.
speak out.
So
That shows weakness.
seriously?
That's the stereotype. Men who talk about their feelings are being weak. and it's like reinforced by like African culture.
Okay, yeah. Tell people about yourself, who you are, what you are about.
Hi, I want to remain a mystery. If you really know me, please leave a comment and
Yeah, for days.
as of now, I am a god.
So this was Man's hair 3 days later, and that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like this video. See you in the next one.